Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about the keyboard avoiding view in React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Keyboard avoiding view is a component in the React Native that helps to manage the positioning of UI element when the software keyboard is displayed on the mobile device. It is often used to ensure that the input fields and the other components are not obscured by the keyboard, making it easier for the user to interact with the app. Keyboard avoiding view is a part of React Native library and can be imported like this. So I will show you. Basically means that whenever we have an input box or something and we try to click on that, sometimes there is sometimes it overlaps. Okay, so avoid this, we are using the keyboard avoiding view part. Okay, and we wrap this input fields into that component. Okay, so let's have a look what exactly it is. So here we go with the demo first. So here you can see we have the text box, right? And I will click on this. Okay, you can see it up above, and when I click on this it goes down. Okay, so it doesn't overlap over here. So we are using the keyboard avoiding view, you can see over here. So here we have the React from the React and the view text keyboard avoiding view from the React Native. Okay, so here we have a main keyboard avoiding view, we wrap the text input into that one. Okay, to avoid the overlapping of that input on the keyboard, right? So in that, so if you want to avoid the keyboard should be overlap in the text input, so in that case what we have to do, we have to wrap your text input into the keyboard avoiding view. Okay, so this is the code that we are doing. So you need to just wrap this keyboard avoiding view, the text input into that one, and this is normal style part over here. Okay, nothing else. So make sure this one behavior, the platform iOS, then padding. If it is iOS, then padding, otherwise it's gonna be the height. Okay, so this is the main difference. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.